In the next topic, here you can compare two blocks. It was meant to be a comparison, but now I just wanted to quickly show that here again, we can compare the two landing pages with their keywords, what kind of keywords they are targeting. These are not only keywords, it's like a concentration of the topic. So you see search, intent, software, you will see the topics and their score. So per landing page, each landing page that you compare, you will see a score and a most relevant topic. So the score in the table, this table represents the semantic strength of the long tail keyword for that landing page. So you can compare your page versus your competitor's page. You can see what are the main type of topics and keywords that are targeting. When I'm using keywords here, I'm always referring to the topic in the context of semantic and the coherence with your website.